Okay, so we're gonna do spark plugs and wires on the '01 Suburban today. I took a look at the spark plugs that were in it, and they were this brand, AC Delco 41962. These, I believe, yeah, they're platinum professional plugs. So pick them up. And then I picked up the AC Delco wires, which is this part number. So these should be a good quality plug wire. Here's what's in there. I also have some dielectric grease to put on the connectors. So take you over here. If you take a look under the hood here on the where it shows the engine 5.3, shows the gap, spark plug gap, 60 thousandths. So it should be pretty straightforward. You can see the coil packs like here, plug wire going down to the spark plug. We're gonna pull these off one at a time, and then put some dielectric grease on the plug wire, and then, then slide the new one on. These plug wires don't look bad. A lot of times the plug wires will actually have the date of manufacture on them, and they could be. I've seen this many times where the plug wire actually shows the date of the car. So these could be 2001, they could be relatively old. So we're gonna set this up in time lapse, and I'll start changing out these plugs on this side, and we'll take a look at the spark plugs.
All right, so we're looking at the driver's side right now, and I'm just going to start taking out these spark plugs one by one, replacing the plugs, and then replacing the plug wire. We're going to finish up here on the driver's side, and then we're going to go over here, start working on the passenger side. It's a little harder to see because the air conditioner equipment, whatever that condenser is there, is kind of in the way. But that's about it. It's pretty simple on the 5.3 and easy to get to. Thanks for watching.